Howdy doody everybody, it's Mrs. MacPhail. Today, learning target is I can solve money problems by adding, subtracting, and comparing, especially comparing dollar amounts today. Mr. Nutty says we're going on a shopping spree, so here we go. Just don't charge it all to me, Mr. Nutty. Here's a little store secret. Did you know that stores often lower the price of an item that is purchased in bulk to encourage customers to spend more money? The store makes up for the lower profit per item by selling more items. So that means when you go to the store and you see Takis on sale, you might be tempted to buy more because they're a lower price. So you're going to buy more, which means you're buying in bulk. Bulk means more than one thing. So we're going to take a look at some situations like that today. Now that we're getting into spring, did you know that spring parties are coming up? So it's time to buy all those trash bags so we can recycle and throw all of our party supplies away. So in our student resource books, and I just took a snippet of this out for you, I have a little icon here and it says garbage bags because we need to buy trash bags or garbage bags. I want to know, what is the cost of buying 5 boxes? How does that compare to the cost of buying 4 boxes of garbage bags? Now, over here on my picture, I can see that garbage bags, 1 box of them costs me $3.75. However, if I buy 5 or more boxes, they each cost me $3.18. I'm buying more, so the store wants to lower the price, so I'm going to buy more boxes, or I'd be more likely to buy more boxes. So if I want to compare the cost of buying 5 boxes to buying 4 boxes, I have to know a couple of things first. Number 1, how much do 5 boxes cost? Number 2, I have to know the price of 4 boxes, what's that's going to cost me. And then if I'm going to compare the cost of 5 boxes to 4 boxes, I need to know the price difference. So I'm going to subtract the difference between the cost of 4 boxes and 5 boxes. So let's take a look at the first part here. I want to know, oops, that's too far, Mrs. MacPhail, go back up. I want to know, what is the cost of 5 boxes of trash bags at $3.18? Because remember, these are kind of like the sale price. If I'm buying 5 or more, they're going to cost me $3.18 per box. So what do you think I'm going to do here to figure this out? If you said add it all together, you'd be correct. You could also multiply it if you're okay multiplying $3.18 by 5, doing a longhand version. But I'm going to add everything together here. And I'm kind of running out of room. So what I'm going to do really quick is just kind of make this a little bit smaller. Sometimes this happens. You just gotta change things on the fly. But I want to give some more room to work here. So here we go. We're going to add $3.18 5 times. Okay, so here we go. I have 318, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've written $3.18 5 times because I'm looking for the cost of 5 boxes. All right, so now we're going to add this all together. Notice how I have my hundredths lined all up, my tenths lined up, and my ones lined up. All right, so I have 18 hundredths, or 18 pennies, and I have $3. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, or 8 times 5 would be 40. So I'm going to drop the 0 and carry the 4 tens over, or 4 tenths, excuse me. 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, would be 9. So we'd have 9 tenths. Carry your decimal down. We add decimals. We're going to carry that decimal straight down. Okay, and now let's add our 3's. You can either add the 3's or multiply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 3 would give me 15. I don't have any other numbers to work with, so I'm going to bring my 15 straight down. So how much are 5 boxes going to cost me at that special price? $15.90. Not bad. Let's move on now because we still need to find the cost of 4 boxes. So what is the cost of 4 boxes of trash bags at $3.75 per box? This time notice our price per box is higher because we are not at that sale price anymore because we're only buying 4 boxes. If we're buying 5 or more, we're paying that sale price, but we're only buying 4, so we have to pay the regular price per box. So what do you think I'm going to write down? If you said $3.75 4 times, you would be correct. Here we go. All right. Notice that my hundredths line up, my tenths line up, my decimals line up, and my ones all line up. I even put the dollar sign to help me remember that we're using dollars. I wrote it 4 times because we're looking for 4 boxes at $3.75 per box. 5 times 4 is 20. Bring the 0 down and carry the 2 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 7 would be 28, plus 2 would be 30. So I'm going to bring 0 down and carry my 3. Now, bring my decimal down, straight down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 3 would be 15. So how much do 4 boxes of trash bags cost at the non-sale price? $15. Let's look at number 3. Compare what is the price difference between 4 and 5 boxes. Because overall, what I'm trying to find out in my problem is I want to compare the cost of buying 5 boxes to 4 boxes. So I need to know the difference in the prices. So let's go down below. So how much more do 5 boxes of trash bags cost than 4 boxes of trash bags? When I see the words, how much more, I think of subtraction because that's a keyword for subtraction. So I know that I'm going to have to subtract. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller font once again so you can see a little bit better. So I want to know how much more do 5 boxes of trash bags cost than 4 boxes of trash bags. So I'm going to subtract because how much more is a keyword that means subtract. How much more means subtract. So I am going to subtract my 5 box total from my 4 box total. I always want to put my bigger number on top when I am doing subtraction. So $15.90. Oops, let's undo that. Mac fail. That's the 5 boxes compared to the 4 boxes, which is $15. And what did we say how much more meant? What are we doing? We are subtracting. 0 from 0 is 0. We can take 0 cookies from 9 cookies, and that's 9 cookies left over. When we subtract decimals, just like adding, we bring them straight down. And 5 minus 5 would be 0. So $5 minus $5 is 0. And $10 minus $10 would be 0 as well. So how much more do 5 boxes of trash bags cost than 4 boxes of trash bags? It would be 90 cents. And I could check my work by adding 90 cents to $15 to make sure that we get $15.90 at the end. Here's our next problem. Mr. Nutty wants to write some thank you notes. If he has $12, does he have enough to buy 5 boxes? So our first question, how much do the 5 boxes cost? Number 2, does he have enough money for 5 boxes? So looking at question 1, how much do 5 boxes cost? Our greeting cards payment box over here says for a box of 12, regular price is $3.29, but if you buy 5 or more, you're going to pay $2.63 per box. And since Mr. Nutty wants to buy 5, they're going to be $2.63 per box. So here we go. All right, 3 times 5, 15. 6 times 5 is 30 plus 1 is 31. 2 times 5 is 10. $13.15. Does he have enough money to buy 5 boxes? How much did Mr. Nutty have originally? So does he have enough money? He does not. If he has $12, he can't buy 5 boxes. Does he have enough if he buys 4? We're going to let you figure that one out. See you later.